Did I step on paint? Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, your girl is here looking all crazy. But I am painting my front door that I have been procrastinating. You don't know how long. So I said, you know what? So I washed my door already. So now, you see, I don't know if you guys can see me here. You know, I'm just putting one light little coat on first. And of course, I got the roller. This roller, not all that good, but. And yes, of course, what I'm going to do, you see this doorknob here? Yeah, I'm going to cover that with some paint tape. But once I do this one coat, then I will, when it dries, I'll come back and put that paint on. I mean, tape on. You know, I tell you, I was procrastinating. You know how long I kept saying, I'm going to do this, 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 I'm going to do this. Sometimes it's a mental thing, you know. You got to get mentally prepared to do some of these things, you know. Uh-oh. See, I got some paint on there, but it's okay. Because I'll just take something to wipe it off, you know. So, yeah. I had to paint this door. I haven't painted it in so long. And then I do want to paint my garage door. But we'll see how that works. So I also have paintbrush, because you need that for the corners and the edges and things of that nature. And you know, sometimes I don't even use a big roller for these doors. I use a smaller one. Even though it may take a little longer, but hey, it is what it is, right? So sometimes using the brush itself, except for you don't want all these streaks. But you know, they have some paint brushes that's very, very expensive. Ooh, and I say expensive. And they don't leave like streaks like some of these. You can't get some of them brushes that you get from the Dollar Tree. Them things don't be working. Seriously. Yeah, so you see? See? We can do whatever we want to do. Within reason, of course. Within reason. I had to wash this door off. You know, it's out the outside door. You know, the dust. So I used some disinfectant stuff, and I just got a rag and, you know, washed the door off. It says you cannot paint with a dirty door, dirty walls. You have to wash them off. You must. You know, you must. So I'm not rushing to do this. I'm taking my sweet time because, yeah. And I'm doing this now because everybody's at work and nobody has to come in the front door. Even though my sons, they use the garage door to come in the house, but can you guys see me? I've been painting doors all my life. Yes. And I want to get it. Oh. Guess you saying hi to me. What's she keeping her on for? I don't know that lady. you right there. She's just saying hi. I don't know. Roller, you know, because if I use a small roller, you know, you don't see all these streaks. And I just don't like when I see the streaks, guys. You know, you have to be careful because you don't want no the thickness of the paint when it drips. You know. The other inside later on, you know, I have to open up the door later on because whoop, I want to show you my backside. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's gonna look so much better because I can't stand when it looks all crazy. See, you guys, it's looking much better already, right? You see the difference between up here and down here? You see the difference? Just looks so nice. Now, what I would love to do is paint my my outside of my house, but baby, when I say expensive, maybe my sons will do it. I don't know. No, not paint. They're not gonna paint. No, what them? Anything you'll pay somebody to do it professionally. That's the best when things projects like that. Either you know what you're doing or get somebody professional. You know, if that's their profession to do it. Definitely want to. I thought I wouldn't get this done. You know, I've been saying this for the longest. I'm gonna paint my door. I'm gonna paint my garage door. I'm gonna paint my door. My garage door. I've been saying that for many, many years. I never painted that thing. Nope. It's a lot of work, you know. It's a lot of work. Look like it's gonna rain, but I have to open up this door. I gotta, excuse me for a minute, guys, okay? I have to paint this. I can't leave this door open too long. You know why? That AC is on blast. So I gotta hurry up and do this. Can you see me still? Yes, guys. See, I had to do the top, so I had to leave that door open. So a little bit let it dry. He's leaving his door open. But you can't turn the AC off because it's too hot. Let's see. I know I have to put another coat on tomorrow. Yeah, at least nobody won't. By the time people come home, this will be dry, super dry. Super duper dry. Even all these pillars, you see? Let me show you this. You see these pillars? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pillars. You see these? I had painted all of them by myself one time. That was like 4 years ago. 4 years ago. I think that was the last time I did it. Yeah. So, but like they always say, if you want something done, you have to do it yourself. So I'm just showing, you know, ladies, especially my age, men, we can do these things, you know, like, I'm not saying everybody, but, you know, we just have to take our time. Take our time. That's it. Rome was not built in one day, so we take our time and do it, right? That's it. You know? So, I think that's it for now, guys. I'll talk to you soon. There go the paintbrush. Bye-bye.